Man heard strange noises from the toilet, but what was inside made him want to burn the house. Liam Parker came home after dinner with a friend. They were full and tired. His house was small with just one bathroom. He let his friend Emily go first, then he used it before bed. But the toilet felt strange. The button was hard to press. He thought it was stuck. The next morning, it happened again. His friend Emily also said the flush felt weird. She mentioned hearing a strange sound at night, but thought it was just the wind. After she left, Liam tried the toilet again. Still stiff. He added some oil and searched for answers online. Then he heard the sound again. It was soft, but real. He leaned toward the wall and listened, worried it was a broken pipe. He called a plumber. While waiting, he imagined big repairs. The sound didn't stop. The plumber came and checked the toilet. He lifted the toilet seat, slowly looked inside, and said, "That's not a pipe." He removed the lid. Liam saw what was inside and screamed. Click the like button and comment "toilet" for part 2.